What's going on, guys? This is Matt with Blowout TV. This is Matt's 2-box break of Leaf MMA Metal 2011, courtesy of Blowout TV on demand. Thanks for ordering, buddy. Let's see if I can get you something good here. Alright, let's see if we can pull a super refractor. That would be nice. There's a guy that Blowout actually sponsors. Shane Carwin, autograph. Sorry for the glare there. Sunlight's catching that wrong. Then we have Ronaldo Souza, I guess. That's how you pronounce that. Ronaldo Souza. That one is not numbered. Then Derek Brunson. Also not numbered. Then we have a Chris Kamazi autograph, not numbered. Then a Joey Villasenor refractor, that is numbered 7 of 50 there. You can see it up in the corner, 7 of 50. Then we have a MMA National Pride autograph, Joey Villasenor, back to back. Same guy, different variation. That one is not numbered. And then we have a Dominic Cruz. Pretty nice looking autograph there. Dominic Cruz. Base, and then a Cyborg Santos. Looks like a blue prismatic refractor. Cyborg Santos, blue prismatic, number 2 of 25. 2 of 25. Pretty good first box. Let's go to box 2. Box 2. Alright, first autograph. We have Miguel Torres, base. And we have a John Makdessi. Looks like it's an inscription too. The Bull, John the Bull. So you inscribe that. Pretty cool. Not numbered there. Ivan Minjiver. Autograph, not numbered there. Then we have a John Howard, not to be confused with Jawan Howard of the Fab Five. That one not numbered. Then we have a notable famous nicknames, Gagard Musasi, I guess. The Dreamcatcher. Not numbered. And then another one, same guy, Jagard Musasi. That one not numbered. Uh-oh, we have a red refractor on the back, guys. Look at that, another one. 3 autos in a row. 3 in a row. Same guy. This is a refractor version. And then, wow, that's number 26 of 50. Then we have a red refractor. Chris Cariaso, red refractor autograph. And what is that number 2? 5 of 5. Big hit there. 5 of 5. Alright, Matt. Appreciate the order, buddy. I will get this stuff packaged up and sent out to you ASAP. Thanks a lot for the order. Take care.